What's up guys, welcome back to another video, and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can solve this OBS has crashed problem. So let's get started. Okay, so whenever you open OBS, you will see this error popping up saying that OBS has crashed. So I'll show you how to solve this problem. Click no here. Okay, first of all, right click anywhere on your desktop and click on AMD Radeon settings. Then go to system. Okay, now click on switchable graphics. Okay, here you need to find OBS. Okay, here it is. So now change it from high performance to power saving, and now open OBS. And you can see that OBS is now running properly on your PC. Thank you so much for watching the video guys, and if you guys like the video, make sure to subscribe my channel.